Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Tesla reported that it suffered a $170 million impairment loss on its investment in Bitcoin during the first 9 months of this year, noting that it had also gained roughly $64 million by converting some of the Bitcoin that it owned into fiat money. China's oil imports from Russia soared 22% in September from a year earlier, but were a touch behind top supplier Saudi Arabia, as independent refiners bought more lower-priced Russian fuel in the face of weak domestic refining margins. Investors welcomed Rishi Sunak as Britain's new Prime Minister, but they're likely to give him little leeway to diverge from spending restraint and tax rises after his predecessor shook their faith in the Conservative Party's management of the economy. The last session saw the dollar rise 0.9% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT. The US consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Expectations at 0800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.